They're both very delicious. I'd be happy with either one of them. But does it still taste good?
Oh, there's no comparison. There's no comparison. This thing, it feels flat, and when you bite it, it kind of feels old.
This one had the idea of dipping cookies into the Utz cheese dip.
It's gonna be crazy.
It's gonna be gross, but whatever. We're here.
I'm willing to take one for the team.
The Utz cheese dip.
It has still remnants of sour cream in it. I'm not doing it with all the cookies. That's number one. I will do it with the Chips Ahoy and with the Oreo.
But not the ShopRite?
No.
Okay, so hold on. Let me get my camera out. Give me a second. We're going to do the Chips Ahoy and the Utz cheese first.
She's choosing to do it. I said I would.
It was your idea. All right. Here we go. Let's get a little dip. Okay, hold on. All right, wait. Oh, God, I'm not looking for it. This is so bad.
Ready? Tastes weird, but it's
Why?
Not. It's not as
Why?
bad. It's not as
Why?
bad as I thought it would be. Not as bad as I thought it would be.
Why?
You're making it worse than it seems. It's true. It's not like I would, pound one after the other, but for it just being a one and done, it's not that. I would argue the salt and vinegar chips tasted worse than dipping this cookie in that.
No.
Yeah. And now.
Oh no, that's the one you split. I'm not splitting mine. All right, hold on.
I didn't dip it.
You want to dip? I'm just going regular. Oh, horror.
Hold on, move it.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
We don't have a cook.
Oh no.
Okay. You ready?
What is wrong with you?
You were talking not too long ago about dipping Twixes.
That's
and
mustard and Twix. This is not salty cheese.
I don't do this all the time. I just said I would for this video, so I'm downing it.
Are you proud of yourself?
This is not good. Just chew. Not that bad. Not that good. But it's not, I've eaten a lot worse.
Like what?
Salt and vinegar chips.
No! Oh,
Salt
God.
and vinegar chips.
Oh, my God, no. I feel like that kid, that guy that did the mukbang with the cheese. And then the thing went flying around. What's worse? Not that salt and vinegar with the cheese.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You know what people are going to say? One, y'all are fat. Two, we were so grossed out by that chocolate milk, but yet this was okay to you.
This tasted better than
Lies.
that chocolate milk. Yeah. Yes. And again, I'm not saying that I'm going to pound this and this is something normal that I'm going to have another. No. I'm saying in terms of just tasting it right then and there. Would I rather drink a bottle of that milk or have one Oreo or one Chips Ahoy dipped in that? I would take the Oreo or the Chips Ahoy rather than drinking the milk.
I could have done the milk
or drinking even like the shot glass.
Nope.
No.
He's done. He's gone.
Gone from where?
I don't know. I don't know. You're a Mac.
You're never gonna want to eat that cheese again.
You're a Mac and me.
Now there's pieces of chocolate in this cheese. Just have some Utz, get yourself some Chips Ahoy, make it a party.
Oh God! All right, well, y'all, thank you for joining us. You know what to do. Bing, bing.
Yeah.
Could share this amazing video.
What?
We'll catch you later. Bye.
Cheese.